Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows Copilot is not working on your Windows 11 computer in 2025 specifically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing. I searched for Copilot in my search bar. I didn't find it. I right clicked on the taskbar and went to taskbar settings. I did not find it. So basically, I do not have Copilot on my system by default. If I update my computer and restart my computer, Copilot will be gone because this is the new update for Windows. However, if you want it, then search for Store in the Windows search bar and click on Microsoft Store. Now search for Copilot in the search bar and then go to Microsoft Copilot. Click on Get and you will get the Copilot very easily. This is how you can install it. It uses AI features, and once it is installed on your system, you will be able to use it. So basically, if it's not working in 2025, it means that the reason is that it is not a default application on your system in 2025. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.